will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your hotels Banco map. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. You just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, just click here on communications, just click on it. Come to next CPR, then all you have to do now, just click here on hotels.com. You come to next CPR, then all you have to do now, just go down here, then you click here on the travel edit, you just click on it. You come to next CPR, then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone, that's mean the travel edit notifications disable with us now. Then you click here on edit, then it's gone here to this disable, or it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like